What exactly is a star? And are they more than just lights in the sky? I'm your instructor, Tony DiBernardo, and welcome to my channel, Space But Messier, where you'll learn everything you need to know about spaceflight and astronomy. Let's start with the brightest star in our sky. But you won't find it at night, because it's actually our sun. Our planet orbits around a fairly young star, which is a huge glowing ball of gas that forms in a cosmic cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. And over time, gravity pulls together a bunch of these clouds to a common center. It gets super dense, pressure rises, and the temperatures can reach up to 1,000,000 degrees. Now, over time, it gets hot enough to begin nuclear fusion. And that's where hydrogen converts to helium and eventually exerts an outward pressure. Now, the bigger it gets, the more gravity it has. So when that outward pressure equals that of the force of gravity pulling it in, it becomes balanced. And this is where a star's life begins. This state, where the star spends most of its life, is called hydrostatic equilibrium. In fact, most of the stars you see in the night sky are in this equilibrium. This balance lasts as long as there's hydrogen to fuel it. But once it all burns up, all that outward pressure stops and gravity pulls the star inward, causing the star to die, which can happen a couple different ways depending on its size. Now, small stars like our sun will eventually turn into a red giant, expanding and cooling as it uses up the last of its fuel. After this, the outer layers of the star will be expelled into space, forming a beautiful planetary nebula. The remaining core will cool and shrink to form a tiny dense object called a white dwarf. But for larger stars, the end is much more explosive. When they run out of fuel, they can go supernova, a massive explosion that outshines an entire galaxy. The outer layers of the star are blasted into space while the core collapses to form a neutron star or a black hole. And that is a star. If you like this video, please subscribe so you can see the rest in the series, and I'll see you next time. Bye.